My partner Isha and I were working on a project together, and we're looking at the way that test anxiety is represented on Reddit.
Generally, a day in the lab is I work with my partner Olivia, and we go on Reddit and we look for anything remotely related to test anxiety using different algorithms and existing packages. And we look at that data and try to find trends and topics to where we can extract and ask bigger questions later on in our research.
Through their SRI experience, I want Olivia and Isha to gain the confidence to see a research project through to completion. In the field, research is often done by having people complete surveys. By analyzing what people write online, we can find trends and detect issues in their own voices.
So it's been really great working as a postdoc in President Bylock's research lab. I'm working with Adam students to help see how computer science can be applied to the field of psychology, specifically since their project is around test anxiety. So I meet with the students about once a week, and when we meet, we talk about the findings that they're discovering with the data and also how their findings relate to the psychology field at large.
So I'm really interested in this project that I'm doing this summer because we're really working with the text itself, we're working with the Reddit submissions, and we're trying to find ways to analyze those. And I think especially because of my background in English, I'm really interested in text analysis, and I'm fascinated by the way that we can use computers to analyze text.
With Barnard being a historically women's college, I think it provides the perfect opportunity for a safe introduction to a field like research, which is male-dominated. So having my lab be 5 girls, and even though our mentor is a man, he's so supportive and giving us a nice environment to really learn and grow our skills and practice research.
The students at Barnard are innately enthusiastic and curious about science. It's important to foster and encourage opportunities for students to pursue this curiosity.
My favorite part of my experience doing the Summer Research Institute this summer, I think, has been working on a long-term project. I think in a lot of computer science classes I've taken, you work on a project for a couple of days and you move on, and it's been really amazing to have that experience to kind of try something, and if it doesn't work, come back to it and keep trying and working on this longer project. So the hands-on experience has been really great.
Learning how to work efficiently and work in a collaborative setting. A lot of computer science is isolated or your own thought process, but working specifically at Barnard, you really are forced to use your liberal arts education and think outside the box in any way you can.